The amount of money that you can earn driving for Uber depends on a variety of factors, such as the number of rides you give, the location you are working in, and how busy the area is. Uber uses a formula to calculate the fare for each ride, which takes into account the distance, time, and other factors. Additionally, Uber offers bonuses, promotions, and other incentives for drivers that can increase their earning potential. According to Uber, the average driver can earn around $25 per hour, although this can vary depending on the location and time of day. However, it's important to note that this does not take into account expenses such as gas, vehicle maintenance, and vehicle depreciation. It's important to understand that the earning potential can vary widely depending on the location, hours, and other factors, and that it's important to research the earning potential in your area before deciding to drive for Uber. Additionally, it's important to keep in mind that the pay structure and requirements can change over time, and that it's important to stay informed about the changes in the pay structure and requirements. It's also important to note that, like DoorDash, Uber drivers are considered independent contractors and not employees, which means they don't have the same benefits and protections as employees, and they are responsible for their own taxes and expenses. So it's important to keep that in mind when evaluating the earning potential and the overall feasibility of driving for Uber.